welcome back to my channel. Today my topic is LG 7 kg washing machine. This machine having complaint, the start post button and display PCB not working actually. We can power switching on machine, we can select whatever option also, but while we are selecting start post button, but function not go ahead because of the this issue. We have to repair the display PCB, otherwise start pause button. Now I will show you what is the problem exactly. We will go to the next step. I will show you what is the problem exactly with this machine. Now you can see here power button, power switch, it is already activate. That's when we can switch in on. We can select also any other option, any option. Now for example, I'm selecting here quick 30. Also I will show you this spin cycle. I'm selecting 1000, also temperature 40. Now when I'm selecting start post button, you can see here this one not working. Because of this issue actually we have to repair this machine. Now I will show you any other button also. This button all working, this one not working, this one also not working, but this one working, also this one working. Time delay also working, but only problem this one not working. That's mean major button, start post button not working. Now we have to repair this one and we will go to the next step. Now we have to remove the back of two screws. After that we can take it out, top cover, and we can remove detergent drawer. Now we have to remove these two screws. We have to take it out front panel with the main control board and display. Now we have to disconnect all the harness connectors from the main control. Now we have to remove the front panel. Now we can take it out. Also we will remove the main control board. This control board actually look like no any issue, but here is normally it's getting melt because of the heat. The problem with the main display PCB only. Now we can release. Now you can see here this button actually. You can see here this micro switch already gone actually. Okay. See, I'm pressing the already gone micro switch. We will clean the first. We will clean the board. See oxide everywhere. After cleaning, we will replace this micro switch and we will check. All the oxide we have to remove like that. It is too much oxide actually. All the path we have to clean. Hmm. This micro switch, this micro switch already gone. Actually, we are not able to fix again. We have to replace another one. After that, our problem will get resolved. After fixing new one, we have to check. Now this is damaged one. This one we are going to fix. We have to fix this one now. We will check, fix, and we will check it's whether working or not. It should work actually. After that, if it is working, our problem also will get resolved. Also, we have to this damage path. We have to cover with some with some glue or something. Otherwise, it will get oxide again. Now, little bit we are covering open path because it will get oxide again. Now we have to check with the main control board. It should work now because that already micro switch already gone. Now we will fix with the board and we will check again. Now we fix already main control with the display to the front panel. Now we will give the connections. After that we can check. Now it's okay. Now we can check with the power. It is working or not. We can check. Now I already given power connection. Now we can check again. Power switch is okay. Now you can see here. Now I'm selecting direct spin cycle. I select already 1000 RPM. Now I will start the machine. Now you can see it is okay. Our job already completed. The bearing and everything okay, but a little bit making noise from the drain pump because it is empty drum. That's why it's making a little bit noise. It will be disappear with the water. Now again I will switch off and I will select here quick 30 and we will start. You can see here it is working fine after replacing new micro switch. Now our job already completed. Thanks for watching my channel. We will meet with another video very shortly.